what's up guys, Surge here. So there have been quite a number of leaks regarding the upcoming iPhone SE2, and today we have got this new image leak which obviously shows us the back panel of the SE2. As you can see, we have a glass back panel, a SIM tray and iPhone SE like switches. The camera cutouts are not visible, so I cannot confirm if this is a real SE2 back panel or not. Also, there's no SE2 branding given on the panel, which should be there. Furthermore, if this is a real SE2 back panel, then we might see this small flagship at WWDC. Now, we know that Apple will be announcing iOS 12 next week, but it seems like someone has managed to gather initial informations about the next upgrade. According to this leaked image, the iOS 12 will come with a new design and certain features like dark theme, new notifications, always on display, a new control center and new Animoji for iPhone X and iPhone SE2. Now, I don't trust this image as it has been uploaded by the same leakster who leaked these images, so it is possible that to solidify this leak, he uploaded this image. We have also got this colored iPhone images as a new leak, but this image was used by Mac Rumors on May 16, so don't trust these images as we can clearly spot an applied sticker and the gold edges are just because of reflection from environment. A report back in early April suggested that Apple is working on a triple lens iPhone for release in 2019, and today Jialin Lu says that the third lens would be used to provide enhanced AR capabilities. Last year, Bloomberg also reported that Apple is planning to add a 3D sensor on 2019 iPhone, which could be used to provide more accurate 3D modeling with the rear cameras. So there are a lot of rumors going on, and I wish that they come true because Apple is an innovative company and I want to see some more innovations. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.